Hey, what is good, y'all? Welcome to me getting back to playing The Last of Us 2. Now, the way I'm gonna be dishing out these videos from now on is I'm gonna play them on stream. I'm gonna play it like have a long play on my other channel, which will be over there or over there, whichever side. I have a link on the screen and in the description somewhere for my other channel, Captain Slander Stockpile, where it'll have the long play. And then I'll have another video, which is most likely the one you're watching, which is the short play where I cut out all the boring stuff. Just for those of you who want to see like my full extended plays, because some people have like asked me about that. With that being said, without further ado, let's get into the game. I love the fact that I paid and waited for this game to download just so that I still have to wait 20 minutes for it to freaking load. Like that. Turns me on. For those of y'all watching a long play, y'all see how long this loading screen is. For those of y'all watching the short play, y'all ain't gonna understand it. But for those watching a long play, this is taking forever. We're finally done. Okay. Last thing I remember was, where the fuck is Dina? Oh, she's probably at the yeah, I'm at the joint still. The thing. Get that nigga. I don't know if I've searched this area, so I'm going to assume that I am. Let's start the video alarm goes off. Nice. I have no idea where I'm going. Okay, that's cool. Okay, I have a bow and arrow. I have a hammer. I don't remember what the fuck that means. I mean, not a hammer, a wrench. Okay, voice acting. I don't. There we go. There we go. Voice acting mode activated. Tanger, I guess. Real name, Willow Vega. Brains, 60. Brawn, 40. Affiliation, Society of Champions. A shy, quiet young woman, Tanger discovered her ability to hypnotize with her singing voice at an early age, but she's only just learning to hone it. Having run away from an abusive home, she's a staunch believer in free will. She knows the cost of losing it and often can't bring herself to take it away from others. As such, she refused to use her powers except as a last resort. This has made her a difficult teammate for the Society of Champions, but her ace up their sleeve usefulness has paid off more than once. Neutral hero. Tanger, I guess. For those of y'all watching a long play version, I feel bad for y'all because y'all don't get to experience voice actor mode. Circle to crouch. I see something flashing over here. And I remember this game is L1 to sprint. This, okay, no, this rag's not a piece of paper. Bro, can I please get the hint prompt? Follow the trail of blood, I guess. Ah.
Whoa.
This place is fucked.
Blood's still wet.
Okay, yeah, they killed themselves. I don't think that was like somebody murdering them. Yeah, I guess I gotta get over there. But how though? How do I get over there? That's the $1 billion question. Do I go right here? No. I mean, technically speaking, you could go right there. Or I could jump down right here. I don't remember what the hell was going on last in the story. I'm full on ammo. What guns do I have?
Not this way.
Definitely not that way.
We can box around to that Ferris wheel.
Box around? I don't know what that means.
Yeah, me neither.
Got him! Sweep the area for survivors. Trespassers! Bring them!
Bah! 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 Ain't missed a shot yet. Oh, and I pop dog meat. Yeah. Sorry, puppy. God damn it. Ah, ah. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep.
Find the cars!
Ah. Didn't get hit once. Ah.
God damn it! Found right there!
Oh, oh.
Over here!
Impressive square. Come on, come on. Wee. Where you at? I saw somebody drop.
Do you hear me?
Wait, there was reload.
I think that was the last one.
Yeah.
This place makes me appreciate Jackson, man.
Hey, this looks familiar. Hey, we take those. We gotta use a health kit. Okay, I assume up the steps we go. I don't feel like looking for supplies today, bro. I'm only looking if I need something. What I got? Cocktails. I'll make one, I guess. Health kits are maxed out. Maxed out, maxed out. Don't care. So, some arrows. I can make 2 more arrows. Wow, this is just stuff. I mean, it's cool and all, but I thought this is where I had to go. Oh, my shotgun ammo was full? What this say? Oh, R2. Jules? Oh, that's a whole ass note. There we go. Hey. Wait, is it a female reading this? I assume. Hey, Jules, you still out there? I'd say if you hurry up, you can catch us at the next rendezvous. But this flooding really has slowed us down. Zachary says this amount of water is unusual
I think WLF patrols have picked up too, because I spend way too many hours lying in the mud while the people that claim to be our friends mortar by. Isaac and the wolves are really making this worse. For them, it's just about egos and honor. They need to stop fighting for land they have no claim to. Despite what we heard, it was the WLF that broke the truce. We've been lied to, Jules. I don't know if what I am supposed to do. I came out this way. I pray that she lights my way, and that she does for you as well, Jules. Find us, come soon, Gray.
Damn, tell the nigga to come soon. Like, let him ejaculate when he feel like it. Like, damn, G. So I guess that was just for collectibles and story. I feel like I've been time violated. I feel like we need to climb up here for some reason. I guess I need to get into here. Let's... Came from where? That is what I just... No, wait, I want to jump off the tippy top because no fall damage. Yay. Can I climb over this? Yes, no. It's usually be the type of place where they hide a collectible or something like that. Like a place I would never think to check. And it would be over here somewhere. That boy is standing up like, bro, what you... Oh, what you... I was like 2 feet high. Over here drowning in 2 feet high water, Kevin. Okay, that was a waste of time. You know what this setup reminds me of? In The Last of Us 1, where you had the whole part where Ellie learned how to use a rifle. That's what this whole setup reminds me of.
You came to get him just now? When?
When we got him earlier.
Why you getting him on so early? It's only 8 o'clock.
You just said that though.
Did you walk him and all that?
Alright. I don't know if I've been playing for 15 minutes. It feels like longer, not gonna lie. Now I don't even know where I'm going. That looks about right. Yeah, please.
Go.
Try this way.
Thank you. That's what I do like about this game. It does give you like a lot of hints. Well, if you want them. That's also another thing. Oh, we have to dive under that. This game gives you like as many hints as you want. I find myself pressing L1 a lot because there's no like a stamina system in this game. That's another thing. That's something I need to learn how to do, swim. I feel like up top is where I'm not supposed to go. So I'm gonna go up top first. I swear upon my honor, if we just walked in a circle. Alright. Guess a lot of mannequins in here. I don't know what the challenge is. Okay, so presumably I have to go around and get to there somehow. Guess I'm figuring out a way to make my way down. Already went through that hole, so anything in that general direction is unnecessary, I guess. No, that's the direction I have to go. I just took a wrong turn somewhere. How do I get up there? Can I climb on top of these and do something? No. You know what? Maybe I was supposed to hit the ledges. Oh. Love to see that. Love to see that icon. Hold on. And I went absolutely nowhere. Are there at least like some supplies or something over here? No. There aren't. There are none. Okay, I don't know why I got stuck for a sec. Oh wait, did I? Okay, yeah, I picked that clean. How? How did he get over there? Oh, this is a different hole. No. The case is what that is not. Well, I mean, technically it is a different hole, but it's not a different entrance. That's what I was looking for. Oh.
I
Okay.
think Abby picked the aquarium on purpose because it's so damn hard to get to.
Maybe.
See? I almost used a health pack earlier. I was thinking about using it, but I was like, nah. Where did this man go? Where did he go? Oh, this is a separate direction. Alright, cool. That's one thing I don't like about this game. I get lost a lot. Which direction is the aquarium? Oh, Ferris wheel. That's what we going towards.
How the hell are we crossing this?
And then
That
trucks.
road? Pretty fucking far.
I'd have yelled out, hootie hoo!
Or we use that.
Yeah.
What we gonna do? Snipe the nigga from right here?
Come on. This way.
I don't even remember what we're going to get, what we going to do. I gotta watch my last episode of this. That's mostly why I started like some of this. Well, not mostly, but a little reason why. So like I could, whenever I finish playing games, I could go back and look.
So what's the plan? We take these guys out and steal their boat?
Definitely taking their boat. It's up to them if they want to get in our way.
Damn.
Hopefully it's a small crew.
Hopefully it's not. I want to shoot something. The fuck? Talking about I hope it's a small crew. I'm trying to get my skills up. Can I make some more arrows? Yes, sir. Okay, I got 6 arrows. I was about to say, since I have the materials, might as well. If I can make 2, I'll make 2. Well, I meant to say 2 more, but technically I did make 2. I didn't keep my word. Come on, bro. So what we trying to do? I thought the triangle popped up. That was just his light. Why am I sitting so close? See, this is why I need these blue light glasses now. Yeah.
Place is wrecked.
You don't say.
Yeah, there we go. Thank you. We'll definitely take those. We just gonna move it? Oh, I forgot. In this game, you just hold the button. I'm sitting here tapping. I'm still holding triangle just in case, because you never know with this game. I expect to find something down here on the way. I can't pull out my gun in the water?
Sniper spotted at 12. I repeat, sniper sighted at the marina, likely a trespasser. All nearby units report. Over.
Shit. You four, take the land bridge to the marina. The rest of you, we hold here and wait for orders.
What the fuck? We're supposed to wait here while our guys are being sniped?
We have our orders. We'll have more than enough people to take care of one sniper.
I don't have a sniper, but call me whatever you want. So this rope is just conveniently sitting here, and this camera is just conveniently off. Bro, hurry up! I can't. Why can't I look all the way up too? Probably to prevent glitches and stuff like that. Because I remember there was a lot of glitches like that in the last game. I'm not even pressing anything. They gonna have a gun to our forehead or something stupid. Don't tell me it's broken, bro. I'm not gonna put in all this effort for a broken boat.
We're taking a boat.
You heard them, right? They're talking about Tommy.
We don't know that.
Yes, dude. Yes, they are, bro.
If it is him, he'll be gone by the time we get there. Abby is where he'll be headed, so if we just
What
fall,
if he's in trouble?
he can take care of himself.
Jesus Christ.
The best way to help Tommy is to go after Abby.
Yeah, because we know that's directly where he's going.
I'm not saving your ass again.
Because I know Tommy is like, for those of y'all who play Walking Dead, Tommy is definitely a trip ass nigga. Wow. You going to save this other nigga, bro. Guess I'm on my own. I'd have dive bombed into there backwards, bro.
Engine back up. Where should I put in?
Target on the other side.
Copy.
Copy, Gamma. We'll pass the info to command. Stand by for further instructions.
Hold on. Why did he shoot you? Excuse me. Come here. Bah! Oh, right. That wasn't a dodge. Ah. You. Oh, from where? Come here. Get your ass, nigga.
Miles! Move in! Keep it up!
She's trapped!
Don't use a bullet on this nigga. I forgot about the dodge system. Come near this water, boy. Yay! Wow. Wow. Up in the water.
Think you went that way.
Come on, please.
Quiet.
Thought I saw him. I caught her! Right here!
Oh, where was it? Where was it?
Shin!
Where you at? Yeah, you ain't with that.
I'm on it. That's hers. I'll go check it out. Got her! Over here!
Come on, get the alcohol. Jump in the water. Let's go. I don't know where I'm at, bum.
How'd she get away? She's around here somewhere.
Boy, this AI is stupid in the mud. Alright, I'm gonna just double heal. Oh damn, no, I'm not finna double heal nothing. Come on. I know you wanna refund your soul, bro.
Right over here!
Please, hop out the water. What are you doing? I'm pressing it.
Okay, stay calm. Let go, bitch!
Alright, cool. The nigga started reloading. Bro. I'm trying to shoot and she just started reloading a gun, like, bro. Yep, put them bullets in. Double tray, boy. Right where? Boy, hell no. We don't have a shotgun battle. Let's see who wins. You wanna pull out guns, right?
Don't let up!
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, God! Went back that way!
See? And I got a little chalky bar. Let me get a little chalky bar. Ooh. I got some more materials. Yep, make one of those. At least one. Alright, all I need is one. Because I'm not walking around stealth killing nobody, boy. Yeah, let me go get that back. If I can. I don't know which body is his. I legitimately don't. Got him. No.
They fucked me up, didn't you?
Yes. Shut your stupid ass up. Who else I gotta end?
Right. Boat.
Who else life career I gotta stop? Cause I'll do it. I'll do it. Why do I keep sitting forward? Like, that'd be annoying. Like when I get to editing and I'll be sitting forward, like that really gets annoying. All right, pull it.
Please, please. Nice.
Wait, which way am I going? Definitely not that way. Hey, this is some cap because I wouldn't be moving down the river, bro. I wouldn't have to do anything for this part. Shush.
Steady.
Where like how I just stop on an incline with rushing water, bro? On an inclined plane with rushing water, and the boat just stops. Shit just got no momentum.
Roll's following. Right. Where's the Ferris wheel?
I don't know. You asking me questions like I know the land. You the one supposed to be guiding me, right? Look, there I go, sitting forward again. It needs to be a challenge. Like every time I sit forward, I take a shot. But I don't drink, so I would have to drink something else. This boat is terrible to control. Terrible to control because okay, this is physics. Game engine, what are you doing? I'm over here hitting every button but the one I need. Physics engine, physics. Why are you so bad? Not like I have to think about gas or anything, but still.
Now what?
Press triangle to stop driving a boat. I don't think Meg would agree with that. What would Meg do? Drive the boat some more. Alright, just hold the button to do action. Look, there I was about to sit forward again. Because now that I'm thinking about it, I'm realizing it a little bit more. Oh, that's cool.
Here we go.
Whee! Yeah, let me see if those options help. Because this ain't it, bro. This ain't it. Isn't both firing? Yeah, I'd rather tap because then it feels like there's some skill involved. Assistance. Bro, what? You know what? I'm not. I do this my time. That's all I do. Oh, I'm okay for about 30 minutes. I didn't even get to do nothing for real.
Kidding me?
There's no gas in it. This is my mini game, boy. Can't nobody mess with me. These QTEs cannot hold me. These QTEs cannot hold me. Oh, that shadow from the leaf, it looked like a shadow in a hidden valley. And you won't be hidden when I leave you in that valley. You feel me? You still gonna be in that valley, but like I said, you ain't gonna be hidden. Leave your goof ass in the middle of the road. So I don't know what I'm doing with this series. You know what? I'm gonna keep playing. For those of you watching, won't play it. It'll probably be one long video. Probably not. I don't know yet. But for those of y'all who are just watching it casually, peace out, y'all. Don't forget to eat the booty like a bunny. Okay, bye. For those of y'all watching this, however y'all watching it, I hope you having a lovely day. If not, that's cool. I hope I make your day lovely. I'm not here for the long intros. Shoot. This long labia ain't for the long talking, or however Drake said it. Go's supposed to where I don't. Okay, so that's going downstream. So I would think I would have to go this way. I just came from right there. I believe I have to go under here. Feels like I was getting ready to hit my head. Is this just ammo or is this a whole new gun? No, just ammo. Only one bullet at that bitch. Fuck, man, stomp this nigga out, me. Yeah, knee him in the forehead a little bit. Bitch, running around with a gun with only one bullet in it. That's why your goof ass dead now. Oh, pack ass nigga. Let's see if there's anything I can do about this darn weapon sway. Endure, listen mode, health. Health kit, listen mode. Prone movement. Craft silences. Like what? I want to get rid of the weapon sway. Where's that at? Trap mines. Craft. Aim stability. I'm just keep spinning until I got max on that. Faster aim movement. Don't mind if I do. Pop some Zans, make some fans. Voice actor mode activate. Voice actor mode activated. If any wolves read this, warn Isaac and the others the rumors are true. There's a new infected out there. Looks like something made it halfway to a blobber and it took a turn. Ugly motherfucker. Maybe all the rain around here caused a mutation? No idea. It was slow, so I put it down easy. But when I went back to check it out, all the on it had exploded. Whole right side of my body is burned. Some kind of acid. You see one of these things shambling towards you? Stay back. So it's like I forgot what it was called in the last game, but the big boy. Yeah, let's get more bullets. More bullets, more shootouts.